roads are very slippery. So I'm going slow, okay? The roads, you can tell they don't have no salt on them because it's a little cloudy. And we also, as I noticed, I don't see a lot of trucks out here cleaning. So I have to slow down. I don't know why people think because they got SUVs and trucks that gives them license to speed up. I'm switching lanes and it's more slippery, so I have to take it easy. But yeah, sometimes here, now up here looks a little bit more clearer, which means they probably put a little bit of salt on the roads, but never. Don't be overcautious. Not be, but yeah, be overcautious. Don't be undercautious.